Welcome to DGS Destinations, where you will buckle up to hear about where in the world your fellow Mustangs are traveling. You're listening to Maggie Stanley from the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove. Now that travel restrictions for COVID-19 are mostly lifted, people are eager to be out and about. According to Sabre, a passenger booking database, traveling has tripled since March 2020. As stated by World Family Travel, people travel for reasons such as work, education, family, health, and relaxation. When DGS students are on school break, some use traveling to spend time with their family and go on adventures. DGS sophomore Morgan Molsky traveled to Hawaii with her family over winter break, and she really enjoyed that trip.
We hiked up to, well, not hiked up, we drove up, but then we had hiked a little bit to the top of Haleakala, which is the dormant volcano that is there, and it was just really cool because you were above the clouds and you could just see the horizon.
Like Molsky, it is common for students to take tropical vacations, especially in the colder months. However, some people also go to theme parks, cities, and other places to enjoy themselves when school is out. DGS senior Skylar Temecki is currently forming plans for her first vacation out of the country this summer.
I'm going to London and then taking a train to Paris over the summer. So we're going to try to hit as much as we can, all the basics and the sights to see, and just eat a lot of food and just enjoy the different cultures.
Especially because of COVID, people are finding reasons to be adventurous by going off the beaten path and taking vacations they would not normally go on. Temecki is excited for her vacation to London and Paris because it is different from any kind of trip she has ever been on before.
Most of our trips are amusement parks and Disney World and places like that. So this is a lot more touristy, sightseeing, first time kind of thing. So I think it's definitely going to be new, but it's going to be exciting because of how new it is.
The London and Paris trip is significantly different from what Temecki is used to, yet some people have been inspired to subtly change their vacation style instead. Molsky's trip was similar to the trips her family normally takes in that it was to a warm and tropical destination, but it had an adventurous twist.
My family prefers tropical places to go, so like I said before, we go to Florida a lot. I think that's our number one place that we go to. Or we've been to California a few times, but I say this is different because it's its own island and they can have their own rules that's different from the rest.
Hawaii, London, and Paris are just 3 options of all the magical places in the world you can go. Where do you plan on traveling next? Thank you for listening to the DGS Destinations podcast, and I hope you enjoyed your ride. This is Maggie Stanley from the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove.